When you're thinking about remodeling and you're really trying to come up with a plan to remodel without regret, you really need to think through the contractor that you choose. Just make sure they're creditable, you've seen their work, go to their website, do they have reviews, really kind of do your due diligence to check them out. One thing that we pride ourselves is that our team is really expansive. We start with an architectural designer on staff, we have interior designers on staff, we have a construction consultant, and a project manager. So all of these pieces are here to help you get your project completed to your expectations and in a timely manner. To have this design team on staff and our architects on staff and our construction consultants have such experience to really be able to see and vision and really kind of dream with you of what the possibilities could be. You know, we can always dream big and rein it back in if we need to, but at least you would know kind of where you can start from. When homeowners call here wanting to complete a project, we really try to encourage them to give some thought to the aspects of their home that they want to update that is most important to them. Really kind of set a priority list of what they're looking to complete. At the end of the day, they would consider to be a successful remodel. They wanted to make sure these items got addressed and that they know they got what they were looking for. We understand that remodeling your home is very, very stressful. It's basically your nest, and you've invited these people into your nest, and so our goal is to get in and out as quickly as possible. This is why we really encourage you to have your selections completed and decided before we demo anything in your home, because we don't want to give any opportunity for additional delays outside of what it's organically going to take to finish the construction. The things we can control, we really want to try to be mindful in those things and kind of be ahead of them and have really a game plan to get in and out as quickly as possible. The other thing I would think through is just the expectations of what's going to happen when you're going to be without a kitchen for several weeks. Or if you're remodeling your bathroom, you will be without a bathroom, and are there other things that you can do, you and your family can do in this time span when you're it's all torn up and it's demoed and there's no access to it. But one thing that I think people miss is that, you know, the permitting process and the cities and all the requirements every year get a little bit more and more. So really picking the contractor that has expertise, has the expectations, knows what the city's going to require, the codes, the upgrades, the things that are going to happen to make your home complete and to code is very important. If you're thinking about remodeling, we'd love to meet with you to come up with a successful plan.